My name is Brian Fennell. I am the CEO and co-founder of Emulsions Corporation. Well, quite simply, rejuvenation is exactly what it sounds like. This adds moisturizer to the road system, allowing it to extend the service life of that road and allow traffic to be restored within 3 hours. So as you can well imagine, we're prohibiting a full rehabilitation of this roadway by 10 years with 2 applications. Our departments of transportation, they'll save billions of dollars using a product like ours along with our specialized equipment. It is the most cost-effective way to extend service life of a roadway. The number one factor for us to be here besides price was having a bio-based product so that it didn't impact the natural preserve that surrounds this community.
Delta S sprayed on the surface of an existing roadway can increase the lifespan of that pavement by somewhere in the neighborhood of 3 years. Brian at Emulsions has developed an application technology that we think is extremely impressive in terms of the markets that it can open up. This application of increasing the lifespan of asphalt pavements, it can save a lot of money.
The truck has 2 separate pumps, 2 separate tanks, which allows you to shoot the rejuvenator and the polymer and never mix the 2. It's better for the environment because that material is almost food grade, you know, there's nothing really hazardous in it.
Well, we're down here checking out some of the surface characteristics of the product. We're taking some before and after measurements of texture and friction.
It's a product that is really good for these kind of situations. It does pavement preservation, so it's extending the life of the pavement. It's a very effective way of keeping a pavement fresh.